Heading out to the river now. It's Sunday, 1:30, and it's so hot. Look at Coco. It's literally 41 degrees. Let me just check the app. Oh no, it's 38, but it's bloody hot. So we're going to the river. Come on, Coco. We're leaving tomorrow for New South Wales, and then we're heading up through the outback, so we're not going to see water for a while. She's running. Wait, darling. She's desperate. It's so hot. So hot. So we're going to go sit in the river for a few hours because there's nothing else to do. Oh my god, it's boiling. Oh, okay. Good swimming. Good swimming. Ready? Go. Oh. You got your stick. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Hey, buddy. Tangled in your rope. Coming to Mum? Are you coming here, Mummy? Are you coming to your mummy? Come on. Can't stand here, darling. It's alright. Okay, so a massive storm is coming through. You can see in the distance there. Shush. I just had to pull my awning down because it was flying up. I'm probably going to have to put it up now. Look at that. A major dust storm. about to cross the border. It's very exciting. By Victoria. New South Wales. We have come to a rest area called Popilta Lake. And sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, but so this is the lake. It's completely dry, which is a shame because it looks huge on the map. But yeah, I need a Milo. Coco needs to get out and stretch her legs. Come on, fella. Hey, stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Go to the toilet. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for a bit and hit the road. We've been driving for 2 hours and 15 minutes and we're battling winds a bit, but it's actually died off a little, so that's quite good. 137 k's to Broken Hill. Yeah, I have. This is piano seen better days. Trisha and Rob, a pink piano in your house. It's pretty cool. Take a photo of that. I'm a bit scared to open it. Oh wow, it's actually got books in there. Oh. Okay. Take a book, but please replace a book or something for the weary traveller. That's... Oh, shut up. That's so cool. Unfortunately, I haven't finished reading my book, so I can't. We can't swap. And I didn't bring a pen. The Bush Library. Alright, Coco, off to Broken Hill. there's one thing I want to do this morning, and that is fill out this map, because I got this back home and it comes with these pins that you put in the locations that you've been to, so we can now tick off Victoria. First stop was Lake Hume, which is about here, I reckon. So that's spot number 1. And then we went to Yarrawonga, which is just a little bit further up from Albury. It's hard to do this and film at the same time. Then we went to Echuca, which is about here. Then we went to Swan Hill. Which is right there. And then from there we went to Mildura, didn't we? There we go. So that's Victoria. Five different locations in Victoria. And now we are, where are we? We are here. Broken Hill. Isn't that cool? So we're going to run around the race course. We're going to do 2 laps, and that's how we're going to start the day. I'm going to go for a run. Okay, let's go. Look who's running down the course. So I've come down to the Broken Hill Airport to check out the Royal Flying Doctor service.
What do you mean by watching? Over?
If it's a displaced fraction, there could be sharp bone ends in the brake that could damage his lung. Keep checking on his condition.
That's where we are. Aw, you've been a good girl. You've been a good girl while Mummy was on tour. Good girl, sweetheart. Okay. 2019. Wow, last year. Ready? Up. Good girl. See Broken Hill? To. Look where we made it to. The outback. So I'm just reading some of the reasons why these miners lost their lives. Fell into chute, crushed by machinery, rock falls, suffocated, run over by a truck, drowned in a well. Fell off a ladder, drowned, knocked by a skip, crushed by roadwork, explosion. Terrific. And the last person was August 2019, who was crushed by machinery. It's pretty horrible. Amazing place. This is where we stayed last night. It's next to some bins. It's the pub. So we stayed behind the pub. There's some other campers next to us. How you got up, darling? Up. But yeah, it was actually really quiet last night. Really quiet until the garbos came this morning. So that's that. Fred Hollow's grape. Get down! Frederick Cossum Hollows died on the 10th of Feb 1993. Look at how they decorate their graves compared to what we do. Like, they decorate the whole thing. Little ornaments and flowers. Little baby's grave. This one's a father and daughter. And they've got a little chair here that you can come and sit. "40 years old and 22 years old. But they died 8 years apart. Wow. So Coco's just cracked the shits. She's been wanting to get out of her cage. Have a drink, please. No, we're not playing, Coco. Sit down, sweetheart. Okay. It's alright, sweetheart. dive in this pool. Okay, bye.
She had to whack it, like on one of the walls. The bird feet, like that, and they hang up through they're actually real cute. They're like really cute. But I mean, you can still get all this virus if you're not careful. Like they are.
I think this pool is heated. This pool's a lot cooler than the other one. So nice. This is riding back to the caravan park from the bars. So the bars are just over there. That's the caravan park there. Perfect spot. If you're going to come to Lightning Ridge, make sure you stay at the Opal Caravan Park. Opal Caravan Park. And they've got a doggy daycare for $5 for half a day, $10 for a full day, and they've got an off-leash doggy area. Who's up? Who's up? Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, monkey. Good morning, monkey. You a happy girl? Are you a happy girl? You gonna get the toilet? Good girl, sweetheart. Good girl. Hi. Hi. Oh yes, I missed you too. I missed you too. It's very early, Coco. It's only 6 AM. Alright, this is what we're doing. We're going to do the Blue Car Door Explorer Tour. Oh, it only takes 10 minutes. So this is going to take us to the walk-in mine and a cactus nursery and black opals. So there's 10 things to see. That'll be cool. Blue Car Door. Right. First stop. Walk-in mine. Underground tours. Okay, Coco's coming down the mine with me. this mine isn't actually free. You can walk through by yourself, but it's $20. So that's not advertised anywhere. But they're lovely enough to let me bring my dog in. Chook shed. Oh, there are the chooks. See the chooks? Oh, there's another one. Hello, chickens. What's your noggin, mate? Where are we going? Where are we going? It's quiet, isn't it? It's just us. It's just us. Hey. This way. It's low, isn't it? Where'd you, buddy? Georgie. Georgie's been working in that mine. Okay, so tonight I'm having satay chicken with cashew nuts, which is delicious. I made these last year. I made this last year on my trip and it was awesome. So, a bit of ginger. The whole caravan park's going to smell so nice now. With the garlic. And then I'm going to chuck in the onions. Get those going. Oh, yummy. Yummy, Coco, yummy. Look what Mummy's got. Doesn't seem right having a hot meal when it's 40 degrees, but I'm hungry. I've been craving this. Anyway, let those cook. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move these to the side and chuck the chicken in.
Are you doing your lap?
Where's that?
Lap of Australia?
Oh, have I done it?
Are you doing it?
No, I'm doing it, yeah.
You just started?
Yeah.
Okay. I read you went to your website.
Oh, did you? I haven't updated the website for a while, but
I tell you that.
more the Facebook page. Morning. It's very early Saturday morning. Well, it's not that early, it's 6:24. And yeah, it was a bit of a hot night. We had the windows open, the aircon going all night. But last night we stayed at a winery. So just to like show you what we wake up to. Which is pretty nice. Missy Moo. Missy Moo Moo. Missy Moo Moo. It's your monkey. Yeah, so just kind of chilling. Yeah. Today we are going to, we're in Dubbo now. We're going to head towards Bathurst and down the south coast. Just trying to get out of this heat wave because it's so hot. It's 40 degrees here today. So we are going to go and we're going to go stay at a caravan park for the next couple of nights, and then we'll free camp for most of next week, hopefully. So yeah, I'll cook some breakfast. We've just checked into our caravan park here in Bathurst. Now, the most important part of today is to empty the toilet. The toilet is full and it's been like that. Well, I've been using it for a week, so it needs to be emptied. So I'm going to show you how we empty the toilet, and it's going to be gross and you're going to have to deal with it. So one thing I noticed is this this red line starting to appear, so it's kind of telling me that it's full or almost full. The other thing is, when you do your business and oh, it stinks, and after you've been driving, it all slushes around and it actually comes above this little flap. So yesterday I had the toilet contents above that and it was pretty foul. So this thing is shut, so I can go and empty it now. Alright, this is where the canister is located, just at the back of the van. I don't lock it. If someone wants to steal my toilet cassette, then they're pretty stupid. I can already tell this is heavy. Main thing is the cap is on. Oh my god, pull that out. The other thing is, make sure there's nothing in here. So nothing is leaking up the top here. And there's no contents anywhere around there, which is good. So I'll shut that for now. Ooh, bring this, oh my goodness, over here. Now I'm going to say this once. It's not a man's job, it's not a woman's job, it's a caravanner's job. If you buy a caravan with a toilet, everyone empties it. You stay in the van, you empty it. You use the toilet, you empty it. Right, got my little handle. Let's go. Alright. Take anything off that's going to fall in. Sunglasses, keys. Oh my god. Yuck. Oh god. Gross and gross. You don't want a bar of it. feel like I need a shower after that. That's disgusting. It's a first for everything. Wees are fine. When they're mixed together, they're not. Oh, yep. And just like that, the toilet is emptied. Ready for another session. Clicked in. This green packet. And put some water in there. Mix it around in. I'm going to spray the thing because I think I'm going to be sick. Oh. Ugh. Has that gone back to green? Yeah, that's back to green. Alright, we're good to go. I don't feel like lunch now.